If our rational expressions do not have a common denominator, then we must get a common denominator just as we would for regular fractions. So in this case, the common denominator is going to be x times x minus 1. So we want to multiply each of these fractions on the top and bottom by the value that's going to get us x times x minus 1. So we would take 2 over x and multiply on the top and bottom by x minus 1. And we're going to add to that 1 over x minus 1, where we multiply this fraction on the top and bottom by x. Okay. Upon simplification, when we multiply 2 times x minus 1, keep in mind we're multiplying 2 times this entire quantity x minus 1, which would give us 2x minus 2. And on the bottom, we'll just leave it as x times x minus 1 for now. Over here, when we multiply our numerators, we get 1 times x, which is x. And again, on the bottom, we'll leave it as x times x minus 1. Now, when we combine these into one fraction, we get one fraction with the same denominator, x times x minus 1. And on top, we're going to get 2x plus x minus 2. When we simplify this, we're going to get 2x plus x is 3x. We've got our minus 2 over x times x minus 1. And if you desire, we can multiply out the denominator to get x squared minus x. Let's apply the same procedure to x over x minus 1 plus x minus 3 over x plus 2. So the common denominator here is going to be x minus 1 times x plus 2. So we'll multiply each of these fractions by the factor that it's missing to have this correct denominator. So if we take x over x minus 1, the piece we're missing in the denominator is x plus 2, so we'll multiply on the top and bottom by x plus 2. Plus, we've got x minus 3 over x plus 2, and the piece we're missing in this denominator is the x minus 1, so we'll multiply the top and bottom of the fraction by that. When we multiply this first piece together, we're going to get x squared plus 2x over x minus 1 times x plus 2. And we'll add to that x minus 3 times x minus 1, so we're going to FOIL that out, giving us x squared minus 4x plus 3 all over x minus 1 times x plus 2. So when we combine our numerators, we're going to get x squared plus x squared, which is 2x squared, 2x minus 4x, which is minus 2x, and then we have a plus 3. And you can either write your denominator in this factored form, or you could multiply it out to get x squared plus x minus 2.